All right, let's go ahead and look at a problem dealing with our e function and also the natural logarithm. So let's go from the integral of e to the e to the 7th dt all over t ln t. So that's the same as e. Remember, I like to break everything down completely. So 1 over t to the ln t dt, right? So now we're going to set our u. We're going to set our u equal to ln t. U equal to ln t. Because the derivative of ln t is equal to 1 over t. 1 over t dt. All right, right. So as you can see, 1 over t dt is accounted for, and our 1 over ln t is accounted for. So when you break, if you break this down even further, this looks like 1 over t times 1 over t dt times 1 over the radical ln of t dt, right? And 1 over t dt is accounted for by du, right? And 1 over radical ln t is accounted for by u, right? So in this case, that's what you're looking at. E to the 7th, 1 over radical u du, right? But we ain't done, because we gotta put these e's in terms of u, right? So let's go ahead and do our lower limit first. So when e is equal, no, I'm sorry, what am I doing? So this is t function when t is equal to e, u is equal to ln e, right? And the ln of e is just 1, right? And when t is equal to e to the 7th, u is going to be equal, remember when you're dealing with the e function, let's see, e to the, let's see, let's go and throw this into the calculator. So e to the 7th going to plug in, when t is equal to e to the 7th, u is equal to ln of e to the 7th, and that's just equal to the natural log of e to the 7th. In this case, is going to be equal to what? 7. Right? Because when you take the natural log and you multiply it by e, and whatever e is raised to, that's what it's going to equal. That is a proof to that, but it's extremely long. We're not going to get into it on this video. But let's go. All right, so everything now is in terms of u. So now you're taking the integral of, let's see, 1 to to the 7th. Let's go in and plug in, no, let's go in 1 over radical u to the du, right? Let's go ahead and break down this radical over 1 du. So this is going to be the same as 1 times u to the negative 1/2. Remember, when we flip the fraction, you got to change the sign. And so that further breaks down into u to the negative 1/2, right? So now we're ready to integrate. And negative 1/2 plus 1, looking at a negative 1/2 plus 1 is equal to 1/2. So you're looking at a 2 u to the 1/2, right? Because 1/2, 2 over 1, you're looking at a 2. So this is the integrated version of this. So now we're ready to plug in our limits. Going from 1 to 7, 2 times 7 to the 1/2 minus 2 times 1 to the 1/2, 7. So minus 2, 1 to the 1/2. And so when you throw that into the calculator, that approximates, that's going to be approximately 3.29. That'll be your final answer.